So these are the cream cheese Danish. 5 Danish if you make them larger. If they make them really small, you can get 10 out of them. 4 carbs. Just took my 2-hour reading. 101. Alright, I was going to just mention, I found this salmon dip or salmon spread. And that was at the Fresh Thyme store. It has only 1 carb for 2 tablespoons. And they use real salmon. Some of the places use fake salmon and make it taste like salmon. Also, for those of you that don't know what a jicama is, well, those are peppers. Let's see. Here, that's what it looks like. This one's a pretty big one. And here I slice them up, and then I use that instead of bread. It tastes a lot like a radish, but not as spicy, more bland. So I use those a lot. And then as far as these little peppers go, they're very useful. Sometimes I just bite them like that and don't put any filling in. But I was thinking that smoked salmon would be good in those. And stuff them, cut the tops off and take the seeds out and put the low carb dip in there. So let's go back to the cookies. For Danish. Here's the filling. 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/4 cup of stevia, 2 egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Okay, and then the actual pastry is 4 large eggs separated, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons stevia, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I will show you these. It says in the actual recipe to use the muffin top pans. I don't know if you've seen those, but they do have them available, and they're Teflon coated, but they're quite small. So I found these at a Goodwill or somewhere, a thrift store, these rings. They're actually called muffin rings, or English muffin rings, but they're very useful. You can use them to make these cookies. Just put your batter in there, and then put your parchment paper on your pan, and then set them in there. And you could also use a cookie cutter, but I don't think that would work as well. So you could do that. And then I've got, those rings, I was thinking of, you could make eggs in there, you could make little pancakes in there. You probably can get them at Bed Bath store. Bed Bath & Beyond store. So here's my cookies, and then my reading was, did I say, 101. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment portion, and I will be putting on a link to the blog where you can print out the recipe and let me know how you like it. And then again, our type 2 diabetes support group on Facebook. If you have further questions or concerns about your type 2 diabetes. Thanks for watching today, and have a great Memorial Day weekend. Bye.